if you can't win, stop! Or you wanna play na lang until 9 o'clock? Better! If you wanna lang, you play na lang Super Mario Galaxy na lang on Wednesday. Pero paano na yan? Hay nako, di ba sabi ko sa'yo, kung di kumatalo ka na naman, stop playing already. You're playing lang forever this boring game. Siguro you stop na already, or you can play na Super Mario Galaxy. Okay lang talaga you're not able to beat the last one. Let a YouTuber help you na lang with that.
On your marks. Get set.
I give up. Stop playing already! I think you have to play na Super Mario Galaxy. Diba sabi ko sa'yo, if you want to play Super Mario Galaxy, you start na early. Because the ending will take a long time. Okay? Enough na. Do not play na this one. Why? Do you still want to try? Yeah, until I win. You're gonna take forever yan. Is that okay?
Get set.
Sige, you got a choice. If you want to play that one forever, no Super Mario Galaxy na tayo. However, if you want to play Super Mario Galaxy, you have to stop already. Last na to ah. Last game. After that, stop.
Set. On your marks.
Di ba you remember there are some medals in the Olympic Games that you can't beat? Yeah. Don't play na that one. Yeah, like the shooting, di ba? Remember sa shooting, you cannot shoot all the 40 targets? Or in archery, you can't get the perfect score. It's okay lang. Do not na beat that. It's fine.
On your marks.
I'll play this until 3:30. Then if it's already 3:30, I have to stop na. Whether you win or not, do not na stop. Play this na ha. Or if you win, stop na. Or if you can't win by the time runs out, stop na ha. We'll pray for you.
Get set.
Ah, it has to be close to the hurdle, but sometimes you just get excited.
On your marks. Get set.
Yes! Wow! Nice! Whoa! Too much practice had brought Amy this far. Wow! Good job! Whoa, that was intense. I thought Faye would not be able to get this. Just in nick of time!
Emblem awarded.
Whoa, I thought she were not able to get this one, yet she nailed it! Phew! That was close. Well, I thought you would not be able to nail this one, but praise God, you come through that one, and you were able to survive it to the last drop. Whoa! I thought Amy were not able to nail that one. It took so much practice, and now, she have already completed all her missions. Yay! Oh well. Yes. Let's go. Looking good. Yeah, that's right, Amy. Or Amiel. Alright. Now, for next one, we just have to do me, Peach, and Yoshi. Just the last 3 characters. Whoa, I thought we were not able to nail that one, but we still stayed consistent. Amazing. No matter how hard we tried, now we were able to bash it. Amazing, huh? Check it out. Wow. All the Sonic medals have now received their emblems. Very good. So yeah, if you want to see this again where Amy tries to beat again 110-meter hurdles without making a wrong sound, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification for a shout out. Thanks for playing, guys. Bye.